Good morning, my lovely people. I believe you're all doing good. Okay, some of you are finding it difficult to submit your assignment. Okay, so to submit your assignment, first of all, you just have to log into your Google Classroom. Let's say this is the Google Classroom I'm having here, and here I have logged onto my or into my Google Classroom. So when you log into your Google Classroom, you realize that you're having different kind of classrooms here. So I have computer packages, and I also have what UI UX from Codec. So I just have to click on this. So when I click on this, it takes me to this page. So at this page, I'll be having my classroom here, and I have all my classroom works here, and by topics. Okay, so this is the first model one, and this is the first assignment, Codec assignment one, or I can just go by the stream. So the stream will give you all the announcements here. Okay, so here you see all the possible announcements here. So I can just click on this here to see the announcement I'm having. So when I click on this, it's taking me to the page here. So this is where you are going to submit your work. Okay, so if you want to see more about your work here, you just have to click on this. When you click on this particular icon or that particular gray line, it will give you what the document to the assignment. So this is the document to the assignment. So it's saying the deadline is 15th 14th May before next section, and you see all this here. These are the requirements. So this is the assignment, and this is what they are telling you to do, and these are the taxes. Okay, so these are just so when you are done doing all this, then if you want to submit the assignment, it's very simple. You see, we have this gray line here. You see this one here, your work, this one here. Okay, so with this one here, then you just you just click on what add or create. Okay, so with the add or create, just click on this. So it will take you to this place. So if actual work is a work on a Google Drive, is it a link? Is it a file? Is it a document slide? So this you are going to create them new. But let's say I have already used a Mac or I have already used Microsoft Word to do my work. So I just have to go to the file. When I click on the file, it will take me to my local space. Okay, take me to my local space. I just have to click on this browse here. Then I will select my work. So let's say my documents. Let's say this is my work. So I'll just select this. This is my work. Okay. After selecting this work, I'll click on OK, open. Then after clicking on open, I think it's supposed to load. It's supposed to load for me. Let me try another one. Okay, let me try this one. Let's see. Open. Okay, so this is Microsoft Word. You see, I have it here. Okay, so when you have it here, if you leave it like this, your work is not submitted. Okay, your work are not submitted. So to submit your work, you just have to click on turn in. This is a turn in. So when I click on the turn in here, they are asking, do you want to turn it in or you want to change it? If you want to turn it, you just have to click on turn in. Then you have submitted your work. Okay, so now this William Owusu I have submitted. So to confirm, let me just go to here since I'm the work is for me. Just go here and I'll go to Google Classroom and I will check here. So this is what I'm having. Um, so when I go here, see, I'm a teacher, so I have a lot of classes that I take. So let me just click on this UI UX class here. So when I click on UI UX class here, so this is the assignments that I gave you guys. So once you open this assignment, so it is actually 20 points, that's 20 marks. And you see, I have only two people who submitted their work, and all these people work have not been submitted. Please, okay, assign, and only two people turned in their work. So be careful. So don't just okay, it's even good I came here. You see, I want to grade this particular assignment, you realize that I'll only grade authentic, the one I just did, and only Elijah. Okay, and these people all submitted their work, but I cannot give them mark because they didn't turn in their work. Please, when you are done with your work, try, you see this one here. So when let me see, let me on submit. Okay, please, when you are done, turn in your work, click on this one, then turn in. Else you not get a point, please. Else you not get a point. The video is much longer than what I expected. But pardon me. At the end of the day, please submit your work. Else, so you see, we have only two people who turn in their work. This guy and also Elijah Ado. And the rest, please try and turn in your work. So if I want to reward or mark the work, it's only these two people that I'm going towards mark their work. Although it has been assigned to these people, and when I come to the instruction side, okay, okay, this is just the instruction. So please kindly submit your work and make it good, not just only assigning. Make sure you're turning your work. So thank you for watching the video and try and submit your work before the deadline.